Finding the right breast cancer specialist in Bangalore involves examining credentials, looking at the costs carefully, and most importantly, care that feels right for you. From early detection tools like mammograms to advanced treatment tailored to your specific needs, every element plays an essential role. It's not just about the medical side, it's also about choosing a doctor who values the human connection. Comfort, trust, and understanding make all the difference when navigating something as personal as cancer treatment. Breast cancer. It's a diagnosis that can feel extremely emotionally overwhelming, at times paralyzing. In India, it's one of the most common cancers affecting women, and its prevalence is only growing by the day. Yet there's a silver lining. With advances in diagnostic tools and early detection, breast cancer is no longer that silent threat it once was. What matters most is spotting it early. You've probably heard about mammograms, the go-to screening method for women over 40. These quick, painless scans can spot abnormalities long before they're noticeable. Then there's a biopsy where a tiny tissue piece is examined to confirm if it's cancer. Let's not forget about genetic testing, which can reveal hereditary risks, especially for women who come with a family history of breast or ovarian cancer. While these procedures can sound very intimidating, they're necessary and increasingly accessible in India, with costs ranging from a few thousands, tens of thousands of rupees, depending on the facility. The truth is, breast cancer doesn't have to be a race against time. With an accurate diagnosis and the right specialist by your side, treatment can begin at just the right moment and come with good outcomes. That's where the difference lies. Timely intervention can dramatically improve outcomes, giving patients not just better survival rates, but also a higher quality of life. The journey focuses equally on treating both the cancer and the whole person that you are. How do you choose a breast cancer specialist in Bangalore? So choosing the right breast cancer specialist is a decision that can shape your ultimate treatment journey. Finding a doctor who understands your specific needs, provides care customized to your condition, makes all the difference. Consider these important factors when you're making your decision and zeroing in on your breast cancer specialist. First and foremost, qualifications that inspire confidence. So your specialist should hold at the minimum an MBBS degree with additional training in surgical oncology, and they should have specialized skills and certificates or fellowships in breast oncology. And this is a sign of focused expertise. Experience that matters. Years of hands-on experience, specifically in operating on breast cancer patients, can significantly impact your care quality. Specialists that are skilled in breast conservative surgeries, reconstructive procedures, and advanced techniques like sentinel lymph node biopsies bring a lot to the table and improve outcomes significantly. Comfort and connection. For many female patients, having access to a female oncologist, specifically a female breast surgeon, can make the process a lot less intimidating and a lot more comforting. At our center, at Therapy, we have specialized skilled surgeons like Dr. Jayanti Tumsi, who come with an impressive record of over 8,300 surgeries and a commitment to patient education. Dr. Tumsi exemplifies compassionate, world-class care. She not only focuses on precise treatment, but also ensures emotional support, helping patients being understood and being very empathetic towards them. Ultimately, the right specialist combines impressive credentials with the ability to see you as more than a diagnosis. Someone who listens, explains, and empowers you every step of this grueling cancer journey. That's the kind of care you deserve. Breast cancer treatment, Bangalore, the cost can vary widely, and understanding these numbers is an important step in planning your care. Surgery, for example, typically ranges anywhere between 1,80,000 to 5 lakhs, depending on the complexity of the procedure. Chemotherapy costs calculated per cycle can range from 70,000 to 2,50,000, while radiation therapy can cost from 25,000 to 80,000. These variations often depend on the hospital, the specific treatment plan, the stage of cancer. Private hospitals generally charge more than public ones, but they often provide access to advanced technologies and shorter wait times. The patient's overall health and any pre-existing conditions also play a huge role in determining costs. For example, patients with compromised immunity may need additional supportive care, longer stays in the hospital, and higher-end antibiotics and other medications which can increase expenses. Interestingly, Bangalore's treatment costs are comparable to other metropolitan cities like Mumbai and Delhi, making it a highly sought-after destination for quality cancer care. Yet, beyond the numbers, the quality and impact of the care you receive is what truly matters. At Therapy, we focus on personalized treatment protocols, ensuring every rupee spent is directed towards care that meets your unique needs. Affordability and outcomes go hand in hand in quality cancer care. A patient-centered approach emphasizes both medical precision and compassionate care, giving you the confidence to focus on healing instead of worrying about unnecessary expenses. Because at the end of the day, your health is ultimately priceless. How do you access comprehensive care in Bangalore? Finding the right breast cancer specialist in Bangalore involves examining credentials, looking at the costs carefully, and most importantly, care that feels right for you. From early detection tools like mammograms to advanced treatment tailored to your specific needs, every element plays an essential role. It's not just about the medical side, it's also about choosing a doctor who values the human connection. Comfort, trust, and understanding make all the difference when navigating something as personal as cancer treatment. At Therapy, we know how overwhelming this journey can feel. That's why we have created a space where personalized care blends seamlessly with advanced medical technology. Your physical and emotional well-being are always a priority here. Our experienced female specialists like Dr. Jayanti Tumsi and Dr. Neema Bhatt lead with compassion, so you'll never feel like just another case file. Because you're not. Yes, treatment costs can vary. Surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation come with different price tags depending on the complexity of care. But the true measure of care isn't just about the numbers, it's about the value, the outcomes, the peace of mind, and the feeling of being supported every step of the way. When it comes to your health, settling is never an option. You deserve a team that not only delivers precise medical care but also reassures you through the process. Because healing is more about than just the treatment, it's about how you feel while receiving it. The journey may not be easy, but you don't have to walk alone. With the right guidance and compassionate support, healing becomes more than a possibility, it becomes a promise.